this is a good seminar because it gives you the process, explains the process from the start to the end. So like I'm a first-time home buyer, so got a lot of useful information and useful contacts which I can use when I'm ready, to buy my first home.
I'll be talking today about the basics of title insurance, what it is and why you need it, and what you should be looking for.
It was very informative. I learned a lot of things, and it updated me on a few things that I knew, but that have changed. But it was great. It was good. I was glad I was here.
I want people to take away that when they're reviewing the contract and the process, that finding an attorney that's competent in real estate is helpful in achieving their goal. And any questions that they may have in the process that's legal in nature, finding an attorney would be helpful.
All different kind of areas of buying a house, like how important it is about insurance, stuff like that.
That any benefit for a consumer to buy from the listing agent?